doing so good today. Oh shit, look. $3.75 at 2 cents. I'm paying the new Firelink feature. Monkeys, hey, check me out. Look at that. That mega, that minor, that major. Let's see how we do. Let's go. I'm ready. Come on, baby. Why the monkeys ain't throwing nothing out? Let's go. Throw it, throw it, throw it. Yes, thank you. Thank you. It's a big machine, so I'm trying to get it all. These ×1 things. Oh, here we go. I can't go back enough. I'm trying. I just ended up with a jackpot on another one, on that lightning link. Oh, 375, that's awesome. Oh my God. Shit. Yes. I'm killing them today. Last spin. Oh, it's probably not gonna give me nothing. Last spin. Hey, when I say I'm killing them today, I'm killing them today. Yes. Woo. Look at that. Oh, wait a minute. Is that another jackpot? Oh no. Oh no. Another jackpot. Oh shoot. Stop, stop, stop. Wait. Is that another jackpot? Oh no, it's not. Okay. What y'all think? Before I say something. Big win. Yes. Thank you, monkey. Oh. Woo! Look at my ticket! Oh my God! Oh, this is so awesome! I am doing fantastic today. I'm at Jamul. You watching Just Feature Slots? Check me out. Yes! Oh my God! Look at that! That is so beautiful. You see that? Come on, baby. Let's do it again. Oh, big win tonight. Yes. They having their, oh, do it. Okay. They're having their St. Patrick's Day thing. It's a whole thing to where they was giving $1,000 every hour. I didn't win $1,000, but my ass got up in there and I won over 1,000. Yes, let's go. Come on, monkeys. Okay. Come on. Oh, that's a big ball. Oh my goodness. Those are zooming by. Come on. You see it. You see that 1,500? Oh. I love it. This is why I come here. Y'all come to Jamul if y'all get a chance, if y'all in SoCal. Oh. Yes, I'm going shopping. What about y'all? Okay, I'll come back if I get anything else. Oh, that mini $30. I'll come back if I get anything else.